How many models do you actually need to make $1,000 a month?
42.
It's not about how many models you have, it's about the value you give to your buyer. What problem are you solving for them? And what makes your model stand out so much that someone wants to buy it? Let me show you my clothing model. It has full skinning, made in Unreal Engine 5.6. It works perfectly with the standard Unreal Engine 5 skeletons, Manny and Queen. It's also compatible with MetaHuman. And the best part is parametric. It automatically adapts to different body types. You can even change the colors directly in the MetaHuman creator. Very clear and understandable qualities of the model that solve a specific customer pain point. But let's be serious. I understand that not everyone makes 3D clothing models. Do you prefer creating static meshes? Now, another example from a different artist. Wooden bridges. This one. Optimize geometry to reduce rendering load. Materials and textures are fully customizable. The structure is modular. Every part from bridges and planks and nails is a separate piece. It supports collisions, updates regularly, and even comes with new assets over time. That's huge. Updates are gold.
Nice.
Can you create UI in Unreal Engine 5? Third example. Modular Container Editor. Full modular design. You can freely combine walls, doors, windows, anything you like. There's even a custom-built UI that lets you edit everything live inside the editor. Custom materials, visual effects, support for LUTs, and mesh optimization, which helps reduce rendering load. Do you like vehicles and animations? Here's another example from a different creator. Downhill bike. High detail model. Dynamic suspensions. The bike literally reacts to physics. Animations, collision systems, stunts, tricks, all included. Each part is rigid and modular. Updates regularly. Honestly, incredible.
That lovely?
So, how many models do you need to make $1,000 a month? Here's my answer. Make 10 solid market-ready projects, then combine them into one big collection, one strong product that can easily bring you $1,000 a month. Or do it like I do. Release everything at once. Individual pieces, full outfits, and later full collections. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy. Come on, I know who you are. You're like me, addicted to hard work. Give us more work!
I don't understand.
Okay, I understand. You want some numbers. Let's check it out. Here's my sales report, payout. Let's scroll down. By August 2022, my first official 1,000 month. But I think that even 700, 800 is pretty close to 1,000. So I think they can be counted as well. The very first payout I ever got was back in October 2021, $132. And I clearly remember these models in particular, namely man in suit, this military outfit, female android, this man android, zombie man, zombie woman, cartoon woman, and these two backpackers. All uploaded in just a few months. And you know what? Those earners came from about 10 models. Actually, maybe even fewer. Each one took me about 1 to 2 weeks to make.
Nice.
So, to wrap it up, it's not about quantity, it's about the problem you solve, the value you deliver, and that one unique feature that sets your project apart. Create something specific, something people remember, something that will work for you. That's what sells. And that's it for today. See you in the next one.